You can now search for the books available at the Hive by clicking on the Library Catalogue link on our page on the UCM website. This will then bring you through to our online library catalogue, and you click here to enter the library. From here, type in your keywords or book title of the book you wish to find, then click on the search icon. This will then bring up a list of results. Once you find the relevant title, click on the title, which will then bring up resource information. Under status, you can see here we have got a copy on loan and the due date for return to the Hive. And you can also see that there are books available. To find the book within the library, make a note of the class number and go to our shelves to find it. You can also do a guided search. Simply type in the information in the fields of what you want to search for. You can search by title, author, subject, keyword, including the module code of your course if applicable, publication year, and by media. Type in the field you wish to search and then click on the search button. This will then bring through a refined list of results. Search to find the book you wish to look at, click on the title, and this will show the resource information. Note here on the loan type that if the book is a reference, you will not be able to take it out of the Hive, but you can read and review it while studying on site at the Hive. Again, to find that book within the library, make a note of the class number and go to our shelves to find it. Alternatively, you can make a note of the number and phone or email the Hive team to ask the book to be put to one side for our click and collect service. If you have any questions, please contact the Hive team.